This weekend I had an idea for some new software that I wanted to produce, and I didn't have time to fully ideate it out and get it up and started. So what I did is I put some high-level notes inside of Claude that I could come back to when I had an extra 30 to 60 minutes to get this thing fully produced. What I'm looking to do is I want to produce an AI agent that will answer and screen my phone calls from any unknown numbers. So any numbers that come into my phone that I don't have saved into my contacts, my AI agent will answer that, determine if it's somebody that I actually want to talk to, and if I do, it will forward that phone call to me. If I don't, it'll either ask to be placed on a do not call list or take a message or whatever it might be. So got this started in Claude and was able to get a full technical document put together after answering a few questions. And the name of this platform is going to be called ViVi, and that's short for Voice Intelligence Virtual Interceptor. So as you can see here, the technical document that I'm going to use to produce this is pretty in-depth. Won't go through and look at it in too much detail, but you can see how long it is. Crazy long. What we're going to do is we're going to take this technical document that I produced in Claude, we're going to copy it and put it into Replit and see how long it takes for Replit to put together a prototype of this software that we want to produce. So let's get started. All right, we want to create and here we go. So we've got our document plugged in. We've given it a little bit more instruction on what it is that we're looking to produce. And it is 3:59 right now. Let's see how long it takes to have this go from idea in Claude to a working prototype in Replit.
Don't mind me, just doing some brain rotting on Instagram right here, looking at some underwater jetpacks, looking at the new Corvette ZR1X, and basically just waiting for Replit to do all the work for me. So it's going pretty quick.
Okay, well, it looks like Replit's finished our prototype, and it is officially 4:16, so that took 17 minutes to take our technical document that we produced on Claude. That one took roughly about a half hour, plugging that into Replit to get where we're at right now. So let's do a quick tour and see what we've got. We've got our landing page that is promoting a free trial. Looks like a pretty good designed landing page. We've got this marked at $10 a month. Let's start our free trial. We've got to log in. Gotta allow that. And once we're in, looks like we got our light mode and dark mode that we wanted. And so we've got our accuracy, our time saved, recent activity. You can record your voices. So this is synced up with 11 Labs API to be able to clone your voice. We've got our call history, some analytics here. Pretty good. Got our settings. I like it. So in 17 minutes, this officially has our prototype ready to start testing and to start building out some enhancements, plugging in our API keys, and getting this thing ready to launch. So Kairos is building these. We're building about a dozen a week, and if this is something that you want to take your idea into reality and get a prototype built out, hit us up. We'd love to talk. See you soon.